Kanina yung pinanood ko si Irene, she looks happy in her room while texting. Then comes Almira. All of them look really happy at the start. And napansin ko yung vocal runs ni Almira. Sobrang ganda. As for the song itself, it's really beautiful. The vibe kind of feels Spanish para sa akin. And I really love it. Meron din parang Korean touch nito. I especially like Armila's ad-lib, especially the high part of the song. That was amazing. So, the song is called Tapat Sa'yo. Is it like their partner or boyfriend left them? Hmm. That's the feeling I get, but still the lyrics show so much loyalty. Maybe it's about falling out of love. I'm not totally sure, but that's what I understood from it. I really like this song. I'm giving it a full 100 rating.